Hi everyone. So as the title says here, this is a fix for the Android radio for Opel Astra J with no sound. So the situation that I had is that everything was working perfectly fine, but there was no audio, not from the radio, not from the Spotify or any other application. I was talking with the support. They couldn't really help me. They were just telling me that it was supposed to work out of the box, plug and play. However, it didn't. So basically what has to be done is that if your car has amplifier, you need to connect these two wires together. So P-ant, which I believe stands for power antenna, and then here is power control, which is the wire for amplifier. So once you connect these two wires, you'll get the sound. And I'm just gonna play something. Let's see. And here is the sound. I don't want to be copyrighted for the music, and that would be all. It took me honestly 3 days to figure this out, but I'm happy that finally I got it, and everything is working as it should. Hopefully this helps someone.